So we are home. So since we come back, you see my hydrangeas, it's burned. So 2 weeks, they said 1 month no rain here in Nova Scotia. So just today have a rain. So this one, when I come home, I water them and I give them a fertilizer. Now it's back. You see guys, they have a new, for 1 week stay here in Nova Scotia, they have new flower now there. And they're getting nice and pink now, you see. But the other, if you notice, they burn because of the sun. You see guys, they sick. So, and I put new soil. I put new soil there under. So this is, I think, 10 years ago, this I plant. So it's beautiful. So this one I plant last year. It's still hydrangea guys, but it's pink. So I put fertilizer in soil, new soil. So now it's okay now. It's back to normal. So, and thank God today is raining. So I'm so grateful that, thank you, amen, amen, oh Lord our Almighty. More rain came here and Nova Scotia. They need rain. So now it's soaking wet. You see guys how dry it is. So this is our summer house. Small house, our small house, but it's so, I like in here because it's so quiet. We don't have closer neighbor. Yan. And this, my other flower, guys. You see my other flower. So, ayan, the garage. And all maple leaf. So here, I will show you here. We have a lato. No. This is akladi. They call pears. Akladi in Greek. Ayan. Pears. Yeah, this. Oh, who loves lato? There. So that's Jamie tree. This one is Jemarie tree. More higher. Look at that. If I plant, my hands is so good for this tree. So have fruits guys. This is Jemarie tree, pear tree. The one is Jamie tree. This one is Jemarie tree. You see guys, very tall. So this is my other hydrangea. This is my other hydrangeas. So they are happy. You see guys. You see guys in the water. So I have lots of hydrangeas here. They done flowering. You see guys. I have another there. This one is big tree. I don't know this one. It's peaches. See my other hydrangeas. They are beautiful. That is my maple leaf. I planted this one 2 years ago. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another over there. So this is hydrangea. This is my gumamela. See my gumamela. I love them. So you see our deck just like Philippines. Oh, but it's beautiful and quiet over here. So we have a brook over there, but no water at all. So we're waiting. I hope it's 3 days gonna rain, and that brook is gonna fill up water. I like this one. If have a water, look that how dry. It's very dry.